guys, this is Mr.MBS Technology. In this video I will show you how to make a gig on Fiverr. So simply you have to go to Google search engine and search for fiverr.com, and then you have to click the first link of Fiverr official website. After loading, you will come to your Fiverr account. Then you have to simply switch to Fiverr seller account. Now this type of interface will be open, where you will get your active orders, how to build your screens on Fiverr in 3 steps, key points for growing your Fiverr accounts, inbox section, link sections, many other information is available here. Now you have to go to your view page. Now this type of interface will be open, where your account will be visible. Now you have to go to create a new gig. Now simply click this plus icon for creating your Fiverr gig. Here you will get all information that how to create a gig and rank to its search engine. Now I will show you the gigs of other people, that how they have made it the gigs. We will go to check this gig of PUBG logo mobile, where now simply click this gig. Here this type of interface will be available, where you will get all overview of this gig, that I will give you a PUBG logo, unique logo, 3 logos are available. This is a section about this gig, so all details are available about the sellers, about the gigs, and relative tags and relative cost are also available. Basic information of contact sellers, basic prices, more services by this creator. Other peoples are also suggested by Fiverr of relative gig. Here you will check the order details about the seller, and every 3 options are available at the top. Now we will check order details. Order details are basic, only basic type of orders are available here. This order is about 2,377 rupees of Pakistani and about $10 nowadays. Now we will check the logos of this creator of PUBG mobile. Now go to your Fiverr account again, and when someone will be give an order to your Fiverr account, here this account will be activated and your order will also be activated, and you will get an inbox message or notification message about that person which have contact you for the order. So please like our video and share.